Hello curious minds and welcome to Top Life Facts. Today we're heading for a trip to the unlimited space and counting down the top 10 most interesting space facts that will amaze you. Space is full of mysteries and wonders that often go beyond our wildest imagination. From the eerie silence of the cosmos to diamonds floating in space, we're about to take you on an exciting journey through the universe. So let's dive now into the unknown and explore the wonders of space. Number 10. Space is completely silent. Did you know that space is completely silent? This may seem hard to imagine, especially given how noisy our lives on Earth can be. The reason for this silence is that space is a near-perfect vacuum, meaning it lacks the atmosphere needed to carry sound waves. Unlike Earth, where sound travels through air, water, or solids, space has no medium for sound to move through. This means even the loudest explosion in space would be completely silent, a truly eerie thought when you consider the vastness of the cosmos. Number 9. Venus spins backward. Venus is often referred to as Earth's twin because of its similar size and proximity. But did you know that Venus spins backward? Unlike most planets in our solar system, Venus rotates in the opposite direction, meaning the sun rises in the west and sets in the east. To make it even more intriguing, a day on Venus, the time it takes to complete one rotation, is longer than its year, the time it takes to orbit the sun. And just imagine living on a planet where a day outlasts a year. Number 8. Jupiter has the shortest day in the solar system. Jupiter, the giant of our solar system, not only dominates with its size but also with its incredible speed of rotation. A day on Jupiter, one full rotation takes just under 10 hours. This rapid spinning leads to some of the fastest winds and most intense storms in the solar system, including the famous Great Red Spot, a massive storm that has been raging for centuries. Imagine squeezing all your daily activities into a mere 10 hours. Jupiter's day is a whirlwind, literally. Number 7. The universe might be full of diamond planets. 55 Cancri E, also known as the Diamond Planet, is an exoplanet located about 41 light-years from Earth. This planet is about twice the size of Earth and has a mass 8 times greater, with its composition largely made up of carbon. Under extreme pressure and heat, this carbon could exist in the form of diamond, leading scientists to believe that 55 Cancri E might be a world where diamonds are as common as rocks are on Earth. The idea that there could be planets out there glittering with diamonds adds a whole new level of wonder to the universe. Number 6. There could be 100 billion planets in the Milky Way alone. Our galaxy, the Milky Way, is vast and filled with wonders beyond counting. Scientists estimate that there could be as many as 100 billion planets within the Milky Way alone. These planets range from rocky worlds like Earth to gas giants like Jupiter, and potentially even more exotic types like diamond planets. With such a staggering number of planets, the possibilities for life and new discoveries are endless. Number 5. Cold welding in space. In the vacuum of space, where there's no atmosphere, two pieces of the same type of metal can fuse together permanently if they touch. This phenomenon is known as cold welding. On Earth, metal surfaces naturally oxidize, which prevents this from happening. However, in space without oxygen, the atoms of the metals bond together when they come into contact, effectively making them one piece. This unexpected quirk of space has significant implications for spacecraft design and repair. Number 4. The temperature in space is incredibly cold. Space is often imagined as a vast, empty void, but did you know that it's also incredibly cold? The temperature in the shadow of an object in space can plummet to 455 degrees Fahrenheit, 270 degrees Celsius. Without the warmth of a nearby star, such as our sun, space becomes an incredibly cold and inhospitable environment. This extreme cold is one of the many challenges that spacecraft and astronauts must contend with during space missions. Number 3. Saturn's rings are incredibly thin. Saturn's rings are one of the most iconic features in our solar system, often depicted as these vast, solid bands encircling the planet. However, while they stretch across more than 175,000 miles in diameter, they're only about 30 feet thick, about the height of a two-story building. These rings are made up of countless small particles of ice and rock, ranging in size from tiny grains to objects as large as mountains. Despite their massive appearance from a distance, the thinness of Saturn's rings is one of their most surprising features, making them incredibly delicate structures. Number 2. Neutron stars are incredibly dense. Neutron stars are the remnants of massive stars that have exploded in supernovae, leaving behind a core so dense that a sugar cube-sized amount of material would weigh about 1 billion tons on Earth. These stars are only about 12 miles in diameter but have more mass than our Sun. Their gravity is so intense that they can warp space-time around them, creating some of the most extreme conditions in the universe. Number 1. The Sun makes up 99.86% of the solar system's mass. The Sun is not just the center of our solar system, it also dominates its mass. In fact, the Sun contains 99.86% of the total mass of the entire solar system. That's why its gravity is so powerful, keeping all the planets, asteroids, and comets in orbit. Without the Sun's immense mass, the solar system as we know it wouldn't exist. And here is our bonus fact. The Sun is about 93 million miles away from Earth, but its light, traveling at the speed of light, takes just over 8 minutes to reach us. This means that when we look at the Sun, we're actually seeing it as it was 8 minutes and 20 seconds ago. This delay is a fascinating reminder of the vast distances in space, even within our own solar system. And there you have it, the top 10 most surprising space facts that shed light on the wonders of our universe. From the eerie silence of space to the unimaginable density of neutron stars, the cosmos is full of incredible mysteries that continue to amaze us. And which fact surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this journey through space, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more mind-blowing content. Keep looking up, stay curious, and see you next time on Top Life Facts.